Hello, my name is Nicholas Scalercio, and today I'm going to be doing the cow eye dissection. Here is my flashcard with a couple of the topics that I'm going to cover. Okay, so here's the cow eye. It's already cut up and everything, ready to show. There was a thick layer, or a lot of this fat tissue that was around the eye that we had to trim away in order to get to the eyeball itself. Okay, so this little top portion right here of the eye, cut it off. This is the cornea. The next part is this black rim right here around the eye. That is the iris. And what the iris does, it allows a certain amount of light into the eye. When it's too bright, what it'll do is this little center portion right here, it'll constrict it. This little center portion is called the pupil. It's the part that restricts and dilates depending on how much light needs to enter the eye. Okay, so I cut the eye. This is the anterior portion of the eye. The anterior cavity, I should say. In that anterior cavity, connected to the iris, I pop it out. This is the lens, the cow eye lens. The lens is responsible for reflecting light towards the back of the eye to a spot that we're going to talk about in a second. Now, when I cut the eye, cut through the cornea, a clear liquid came out. That's called aqueous humor. Now, along with the aqueous humor, there's also this jelly-like fluid that's in the eye. This is called vitreous humor. Okay, so this part is the posterior cavity of the eye. Around the outer portion of the eye, there's a little bit of white. That is called the sclera. The sclera is a thick outermost layer, is responsible for a lot of the protection of the eye itself. Okay. All right. This black portion is called the choroid. The choroid. This lighter section, that's called the retina. The retina receives light that comes through that's reflected by the lens and the iris, and it creates an electrical impulse that sends it to the back to this little nub right here. That is the optic nerve. And that completes the cow eye dissection. Thank you very much.